Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2013 Audi A5 convertible, 83,000 miles, just serviced it, drives really good. The car's in great shape, top functions as it should. Top is in very good shape as well. Do a quick walk around video here. Really nice A5. 2.0 turbo. It is a Quattro all-wheel drive. Check out the interiors. Really clean, nice car. Check out the back seats here. See the interior here. Leather's in great shape. Back seats like brand new. Go ahead and start her up. She has 83,927 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can give us a text as well. Or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you know somebody interested, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche repairs and you're on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, please give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.